Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and here comes Windows 11. Not. So, for some reason, the beginning of 2021, a lot of people are posting, and I get a lot of comments in the past couple of weeks about, oh, well, Windows 11 is going to be a thing. Microsoft announced it. Well, no, they did not. And Windows 11 is not a thing, and it's not even in their plans. One of the biggest problems with this myth, or fake news if you want, is the fact that there's a lot of YouTubers that try to get traffic off of fake news, and Windows 11 is part of it. Fake news traffic. And I get people that send me screenshots and saying, well, look, it's all new. Yes, those screenshots are not worth anything. Windows can be customized. There are things called skins. You can build software that redo the interface. There are already some software out there that actually does that and makes you, have Windows 10 look like Windows XP if you want. Things like the old classic shell did that. So you got to be careful because these are just skins, and then they make a video and they try to pretend that they know everything and that Microsoft is announcing something. Nope, they're not. The other thing is a lot of people are saying, well, they're saying no new Windows, but what the Windows 10X? Windows 10X is what it says, Windows 10. The look might be different. It might be and might feel more Chromebook-like. It is still Windows 10 Core that's in there. Nothing else. It's variants. It's like Windows 10 S. It's, variants of Windows 10. And it's still what Windows is going to be. Another big myth that I see a lot is, the big change with Sun Valley and the new user interface. They're going to surprise everybody with Windows 11. No, it's Windows 10. It's 21H2 and it's Windows 10, and it's just that they decided that Windows 10 needs to have a facelift, and that's pretty much it. So do not fall for any of these things because it does not exist. There's no Windows 11. There has never been a Windows 11 in plans. I mean, Windows 10 has been here now. In July, Windows 10 is going to have 6 years of rollouts of different versions. And still, absolutely no plans for anything else than Windows 10. Why? Because it's a different operating system. You don't need Windows 11. Windows 10 is a Windows version that adds features over time. And that's all. You don't need a new version of Windows. In the past, Windows XP needed a new version of Windows because there's a limit to how much you can actually put service packs on top to make it better. Same happened with Windows 7. How many service packs can you put on top of Windows 7 to make it better? And Windows 8 and Windows 10, they changed direction. That's why they call it Windows as a Service. But nope, no Windows 11. Fake news. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.